Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful home decor ideas. So viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start. Today video. So friends, my first idea is viewers friends. Crochet basket. Crochet baskets are useful in every room. Store yarn, toys, book, towel, crafts, playlists inside them. They help keep your home tidy while adding a decorative touch. Now let's talk about crochet coasters. These small projects are easy to make and protect your table from hot cups and glass from flower, heat, star, or simple circle. All make lovely coaster design. They are also perfect for handmade gifts. Our next idea is crochet blanket. Weavers friends, a soft crochet blanket fold on the sofa or bed instantly make the room feel warm and comfortable. Grain scale strip pattern texture stitches all create beautiful result. Another favorite decoration is a crochet lampshade cover. So viewers, friends, a simple lampshade become unique with the delicate crochet cover. When the light shines through the crochet pattern, it creates beautiful shadow around the room. Now let's move to the kitchen. So friends, so I hope you are enjoying videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care. And you Khuda Hafiz. Viewers, friends, stay safe.